Good evening everyone again, welcome back to the God's Glory Chronicles news, and here's our news headlines for tonight. The Harvest 2025 Evangelistic Crusade, a week-long event aimed at spreading the message of hope and faith, officially began tonight at the Bibankayan Seventh-day Adventist Church in Sorsogon City. The opening night featured a powerful message from a Korean national pastor, who is leading the crusade, alongside Pastor Greg Olivin, district pastor of the Seventh-day Adventist Church in Sorsogon City.
He gathered more soldiers.
Dili po niya maraming mga
Operation.
operation sa lupa.
And always, the month of November is fucking cloudy.
So sa panahon na yan, ay maraming hamog, kaya sabi niya, hindi sila basta-basta makikita.
But England was not prepared to defend.
Pero ang England doon ay hindi handa para sa kanyang depensa.
Are you ready to say amen?
Ay,
Are you ready? Okay. And then, for the first time in 800 years, the fogs vanished now.
sa unang pagkakataon sa loob ng 800 taon, ang mga hamog ay nawala.
And Hitler fell in the air,
Si Hitler na nabigo siya sa pangipapawid,
and he fell in the southeast of the ocean.
nabigo rin siya sa panglupang labanan.
And there's one more way.
At meron siya isa pang paraan.